questions. Subject is cyber security. Weakness that can be exploited by attackers. এখানে উইকনেস যেটা অ্যাটাকাররা অ্যাটাক করে কি উইকনেস থেকে সিস্টেম উইথ ভাইরাসেস system without firewalls, system with vulnerabilities, system with strong password. কি উইকনেস দেখে ভার্নাবিলিটিস থেকে যেখানে উইকনেস মিন ভার্নাবিলিটিস যেখানে যে উইকনেস আছে সিস্টেম উইথ ভার্নাবিলিটিস অ্যান্সার ইজ সিস্টেম উইথ ভার্নাবিলিটিস অপশন সি question number 2 dash is the cyclic practice for identifying and classifying and then solving the vulnerabilities in a system যেটা আমাদের যে যে উইকনেস গুলো আছে সেই উইকনেস গুলো আমাদের যে রেগুলারলি চেকিং করা ক্লাসিফাই করা কি টেকনিক vulnerabilities management answer is option D vulnerability management. A and N is a piece of software or segment of command that usually take advantage of bug to cause unintended action and behavior. Unintended action and behavior যেটা যে যার থ্রু দিয়ে আমরা করি যেটা পিস অফ সফটওয়্যার হতে পারে বা সেগমেন্ট অফ কমান্ড ডেফিনেটলি অ্যান্সার ইজ এক্সপ্লয়েট unintended actions and behavior. ISMS is abbreviated as Information Security Management System. Information Security Management System. DAS has now evolved to be one of the most popular automated tools for unethical hacking. Malware is now evolved. Malware has evolved to be one of the most automated tools for unethical hacking. Malware. Answer is malware. This is the technique used in the business organization firms to protect IT assets. Business organizations or firms গুলো কিভাবে IT asset কে protect করে definitely ethical hacking through the business organization and firms protect IT assets. Question number 7 ethical hacking. After performing, the ethical hacker should never disclose the client information to other parties. After performing this penetration testing, the ethical hacker should never disclose. Penetration testing মানে যে জায়গাগুলোতে উইকনেস আছে সেখানে গিয়ে কিভাবে অ্যাক্সেস করা যায় DAS is the breach of cybersecurity that deals with the morality and provides different theories and principles regarding viewpoints that about right or wrong, ethics in black hat hacking. Answer is DAS helps to classify argument situation better, understand cybercrime, and helps to determine appropriate actions. DAS helps to classify arguments and situation. Cyber ethics. Answer is cyber ethics. DAS will give you an USB which will contain that will take control of your system in the background. Attacker will give you the USB which will contain Trojans that will control of your system in the background. Attacker and who is employee of your firm may dash to your know your system password. Do soldier surfing. Do soldier surfing একটা সোশ্যাল ইঞ্জিনিয়ারিং যেখানে আমাদের অ্যাটাকাররা এমপ্লয়ি হু ইজ অ্যান এমপ্লয়ি উইথ ইউর ফার্ম নো ইউর সিস্টেম পাসওয়ার্ড যে সিস্টেম পাসওয়ার্ড তোমার জেনে যাবে কোনোভাবে এবং সেখান থেকে অ্যাটাক শুরু হতে পারে তো দ্যাট ইজ ডু সোলজার সার্ফিং attacker will use different bots to ping your system and the name of the attack is denial of service distribution denial of service option is distribution denial of service. It does takes over your system browser setting and attack will redirect to website you visit some other website that is browser hijacker by browser hijacker. It takes over your system browser setting and attack will redirect the browser you visit other website of its preference. One must isolate payment system and payment process from those computers that you think they used by strangers or may contain keyloggers. Answer is A. DAS is the model is 7-layer architecture which layer has some specific functionality to perform. OSI model, Open System Interconnection model. The full form of OSI is Open System Interconnection. Which of the following is not a physical layer vulnerabilities? Physical theft of data hardware, physical damage of destruction of data, unauthorized network access, keystroke and other input logging. Answer is unauthorized network access. Which of the following is not a vulnerability of data link lure? Which are the not a vulnerability of data link lure? MAC address spoofing, VLAN circumvention. Switches may be forced by for flooding traffic to all VLAN ports. Overloading of network transport layer mechanism. Answer is B. Overloading of transport layer mechanism. Which of the following is not an example of network layer vulnerabilities? Root spoofing. Root spoofing. Next is an example of session layer vulnerabilities. Weak or non-existence mechanism for authentication. Option A. Which of the following is an example of application layer vulnerabilities? Application layer vulnerabilities mean very complex application security controls. These are the vulnerabilities. Option B. Connection authentication is offered for ensuring that the remote host has the likely internet protocol, that is address and address and location. 23. DAS is an attack technique where numerous SYN packages are spoofed the bogus source address, which then sent to the indented in then DAS is the attack technique which numerous SYN packet are spoofed to the bogus source address, which is sent to the servers. That is sync floating attack. Option A. The two protocols are used to transport layer TCP/IP model, that is TCP and UDP. Transport Transmission Control Protocol, User Data Current Protocol. Spyware can be used still that from attacker browser, that browsing history. Which of the following is not an objective of scanning? Detection of spyware in the system is not an objective of scanning. Detection of live system running on the system, yes, it is an objective. Discovering the IP address of target, it is an objective. Discovering the services running on network, it is an objective. Detection of spyware in a system is not an objective of scanning. So the detection of spyware. DAS scanning is done when the series of messages sent by someone keep in mind to break your computer. Port scanning. DAS in port scanning, the port is always associated with IP address and the type of protocol employed for communication. IP address and protocol. Which of them is not a proper method of email security? Click on unknown link to explore. It's not a proper method. Which of them is an example of grabbing email information? That is reverse engineering, port scanning, cookie stealing. Cookie stealing. Fraudulent email messages are some fake mail messages that seem legitimate, which asks for your confidential bank details such as credit card and login ID and passwords. Option B. PGP is abbreviated as pretty good privacy. Full form of PGP is pretty good privacy. Which of the following is an example of passive online attacks? Web sniffing is a passive online attack. Not an example of offline password attack. Spamming attack is an example of not an example of offline password attack. Spamming attack. The attack, that's one of the simplest way of gaining access to the password protection system. That is brute force. DAS is a security app by Microsoft, which is a built-in one Windows OS designed to filter network from your Windows system and block harmful communication of the programs which are initiating them. Answer is Windows Firewall. Mobile security is also known as wireless security. DDoS mobile system wait to owner that trigger the attack. That is a botnet. Which are the following strongest wireless security? WAP3. DAS is the central mode of W802.11 wireless access point. WP stands for Wi-Fi protected system. DAS is the process of wireless traffic analysis that may be helpful for forensic investigation during the troubleshooting any wireless Wi-Fi wireless traffic sniffing. Answer A. A computer is a malicious code, that is malicious code self-replicating one to another, that is virus. A DAS is a small malicious program that is hidden on the infected system, Trojan. Once activated, DAS can enable to spy. DAS can Trojan. Once activated, Trojan can enable to enable cyber criminal to spy on the victims. Answer is Trojan and cyber criminals. Backdoors cannot be designed as embedded with anti-malware. Option D, cannot design. Backdoor, also known as trapdoor. DAS is deal with protection of individual information, which is implemented while using the internet on any computer or personal device. That is digital privacy. It DAS tries to formulate the web resource occupied or busy. It uses flooding URL victim unlimited requests. That is DOS attack. During DOS attack, regular traffic is either drawing down or entirely interrupted at website. Dash is a phishing is the type of phishing attack where construction. Dash is a phishing of type that is search engine is a phishing type of attack where construction of fake web page is done targeting the indefinite keyword, a definite keyword and waiting for searcher to land the fake web page search engine. Dash attack is an exploitation of web session and its mechanism, session hijacking. Dash is a hijacking implemented on the network flow of on the data flow of protocols shared by all web application network level. Full form malware is that is full form malicious software. XXX abbreviated is cross-site scripting. Dash is a code that is injected method used to attack database on a system. That is SQL injection. Which of these example of physical hacking? SQL injection on SQL vulnerability site. It's an example of physical hacking. Option C. Which Dash is a violent act during done using the internet, which either threatens any technology users and lead to loss or flight, or otherwise harm anyone in order to accomplish political gain. Cyber terrorism. Next, Dash is the special type of program used for recording and tracking users' keyloggers. Dash is used to ensure confidentiality. Encryption is used to ensure confidentiality. Thank you. These are the questions from cyber security. These are the question from MCQ question from cyber security subject. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you. In this video, these are the set of questions from the subject cyber security.